This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about the pluses and minuses of using cupcake clamshells or holders versus cake boxes to hold your cupcakes. So there's a few reasons that we use these in different situations. So having both on hand is never a bad idea. If you're doing retail and you're looking to sell and present things nicely, obviously the clamshells look fantastic, especially if you're going to have them out on display. They give you a big spot for branding on top. They display the items inside really well. And there's a few things that are really nice in that they keep the cupcakes separated, and because of the little dips between them, they make it easy for people to grab those cupcakes out without disturbing the decorations, right? They generally have a nice height on top, so you can, do really fluffy little piles of buttercream. But there are a few drawbacks. If you're limited on space or you're doing things in bulk, it takes a lot of space because there's so much wasted space between the cupcakes and with the headroom that you're going to end up needing a lot more of these than if you pack them in bakery boxes. These are also a little more expensive, which is why we save them for retail situations. If you're doing things in bulk, or like us, we do a lot of events and the customers never see the boxes, these can make a cost-saving alternative that's actually a little better for not only transport, but for our space in refrigerators. So because there's nothing inside the box, you can pack the cupcakes in really tightly, which keeps them in place. And because you're the one handling them, it's easy to make sure that the product is stable to handle, to put out, right? And you don't really have to worry about other people getting down in there, grabbing them, and maybe messing them up. So it means that also we're using a cardboard box. So if there's anything like fondant or gum paste decorations on top that need to stay firm, if it's going in and out of the fridge, the cardboard will help to absorb some extra moisture and keep those things firm. It also means that I can use these for minis, for standard size, and if I buy taller boxes, even jumbos, meaning I can use the same boxes no matter what size cupcake I'm making versus the clamshells, which are definitely size specific. So while they're not great for display, they're also great to have in your bakery if you're packing up, say, mixed orders of things, meaning that you can use the same box for multiple purposes. Think sheet cakes, packing up various pastries, brownies, bars, goodies, etc. And that means you're buying less items. So keeping less things in stock is always a plus. Also, when we wrap them up and put them in the refrigerator, because you can put so many more in one box, they actually end up taking up less room, which means we can take more orders with the refrigeration we have on hand. So there's a variety of different reasons to use one versus the other. And it's never a bad idea, especially if you have a retail store, to keep some of both on hand. But these by far are the more versatile and cost-effective option. And we like to pull these out when we need something that looks really pretty, finished and polished for our customers. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.